Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make traditional pesto step by step. Toast 2 tablespoons pine nuts in a dry skillet until fragrant, then transfer them to a bowl to cool completely before grinding. Use a mortar and pestle or a food processor to combine 2 cups basil leaves, 2 cloves garlic, toasted pine nuts, 1/2 cup grated Parmesan, and 1/2 cup olive oil, grinding or pulsing to a coarse, vibrant paste. For the best texture, begin by bruising garlic and pine nuts before adding basil, which helps release oils for flavor. If using a mortar, pound gently for a rustic feel. If using a food processor, pulse in short bursts to avoid overworking the leaves. Add olive oil in a thin stream until the mixture reaches a spreadable consistency, then fold in grated Parmesan and finish with a squeeze of lemon and salt to taste. Pesto shines tossed with hot pasta or stirred into soups and sandwiches for instant brightness. To store, press a thin layer of olive oil over the surface in an airtight jar to slow oxidation, and refrigerate for up to 1 week. For longer storage, freeze pesto in small portions or ice cube trays so you can thaw just what you need without wasting any of that vibrant, herbaceous flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.